before the police station. The matter before court is now under the ambit of the court, having been registered in the court system. It's the tradition of this court to remand the accused brought under the murder charges of the KCGK while they are waiting their mental assessment to be done. And this case will not be exceptional. I hereby order for the mental assessment to be conducted upon the accused person at the KCGK Referral Hospital, and in the meantime, the accused will be remanded at the KCGK as they are waiting themselves for the assessment. Plea deferred to 15th August before the duty judge. I've consulted, and Tuesday is what I've been informed by now.
Specifically at the police station. Your number.
Just a minute.
KCGK prison has a remand section. And Your Honor, the suspect being committed to the GK prison is not being convicted. Is not being sent there as a prisoner, but as a remanded. A police station, Your Honor, has a specific number of people it can hold in 24 hours. A police station has a certain people that it can hold for 24 hours before they are brought to court. But it is not meant to be to house those whose other processes can be done while they are held at KCGK prison remand. It's also for his own safety.
My brother is raising him. He used to be out at KCGK prison purely because he's a resident of Kisii County and a chairman of a border organization. There are almost 300 chairpersons of border groups in Kisii County. Being chairman of border does not mean that the prosecution disregards the constitutional rights of a suspect or an accused person. He has not taken a plea, Your Honor, and cannot therefore be remanded at Kisii GK prison, no matter the circumstances. What my learned brother has told you is stories or evidence from the bar. There is no affidavit, Your Honor, in support my learned brother's argument. And it clearly shows that police officers are not keen on their job if at this early stage they can be giving up on their mandates to ensure there is peace and order, and Your Honor is seeking to have the accused remanded at KCGK prison. Let him be held, Your Honor, at any police station. There is no safer place than a police station. And if there will be any breach of peace, the officers know what to do. Before the matter is taken before the judge, your job is just to confirm whether the accused has had counsel appointed, is already appointed us, and order for a mental assessment to be taken. those are the issues when I canvass before the honorable judge, so that the such application needs to be made when an application for bail or bond is being made, not